How to pay later with Klarna. Klarna is not just another payment platform, it's a financial service that redefines the way we shop. With its seamless integration into both online and brick and mortar retail experiences, Klarna offers shoppers and the freedom to make purchases without immediate payment. At the heart of Klarna's offering lies Klarna Pay Later. This feature allows you to shop for the things you need today and pay for them later, either within a specified time frame or in manageable installments. It's a game changer for those who like seeking flexibility in their purchasing decisions. In this video tutorial, we'll explore the intricacies of using the Klarna application for both online and in-store shopping. Klarna is a versatile payment platform that allows you to make purchase with ease. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, in the top 3 section, you'll find primary sections like pay for existing orders, shop with Klarna in-store, shop with Klarna online, like this. Below this section, you'll discover quick option to navigate the app efficiently. These features will become more apparent as you use the application. Further down the screen, you'll encounter sections highlighting feature stores, recently viewed items, and available rewards. To explore all the stores Klarna supports, simply tap on the View All option. In the My Klarna section, you can manage various aspects of your Klarna experience, including checking your spending limits, reviewing past orders, viewing your profile information, etc. To access your active and used cards, tap on the One-Time Card option. Active cards are those you have generated but haven't used yet, and they expire 24 hours after creation. Before making a purchase online, it's essential to ensure your payment information is up to date. Navigate to Payment Methods to check if you have added a credit or debit card. If this section is empty, you'll need to add a payment method before proceeding. Now let's explore how to use Klarna when shopping online. Start by tapping the search button to find your desired online store. In this example, we'll visit the Adidas website. If you can't find this store, you can still use Klarna by tapping the Search on Google button. Klarna is integrated with a browser, allowing you to access the store's mobile website seamlessly. Browse and select the items you want to purchase. Then, select those purchased items and add them to your cart. Once your shopping is complete, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, fill in the required information and select the credit card option. Klarna comes into play here. Choose Pay with Klarna in the bottom, as you can see. A small window will appear with essential information, including your estimated balance. Tap on Create a One-Time Card to generate a virtual Klarna card. Klarna usually detects the total amount, but you can manually enter it if necessary. So for this item, it's $150, so we are gonna write it manually here, 150, and then we'll continue. In this section, decide whether to add shopping coverage. Just select and then you can click on continue to proceed to the next page. In this section, review the payment information with the charges and all those stuffs, as you can see in this screen. Review all those things that it's good or not, then you can allow it, and then you can press confirm or like the continue button. Similar to that, you can just tap on it to go to the next page. Klarna will charge the first payment as a reserve fee, which is refunded if you don't use the card. Be aware that Klarna may perform a soft credit check to assess your account balance and Klarna's history. On the final screen, review all details and ensure everything is accurate. So after you have reviewed all the information in this page, you just have to check out the product details and the payments, all of those stuffs, and if you're sure that all are good, then you can proceed to the next one and it will just create a virtual card for you. which you can copy and paste into the payment area. So as you can see in this page, we have so many stuffs going on. You have to provide the card number and the expiry date. So a cool thing is, when you have come to this page, you will be able to select all those stuffs like copying and pasting the things. Like, you don't have to rewrite them. Klarna will do it automatically for you, and it's really fun to do. So now you have to provide all those informations about your cards, and now check all the details that it's good or not, then you can proceed to the next step. So as you can see, they just showed that your order has been placed successfully. So you have been placed your order successfully. You can conveniently review your past orders in the My Profile area. If your order is still processing, you might see a payment in process message. Simply tap on the order for more details and information about your payment plan. Now let's explore how Klarna works for in-store shopping. Ensure your phone supports NFC, which is Near Field Communication, and has a compatible payment app like Google Pay or Apple Pay installed. The initial step for generating a one-time card are the same. Tap on the in-store option and search for your outlet. If the store is not listed, you can manually enter the details, including the total amount. So now in here you can just search for your thing and proceed. So now you have to give how much do you want your plant on, and check all those stuffs in here like for interest, fee, payments, and check the details that all are good or not, then you can proceed to the next step. Follow the prompts as Klarna charges the initial 25% installment. Review your details, then tap on continue. In this step, Klarna presents a virtual card with an option to add it to your Google Play or Apple Pay. After accepting the terms and conditions, Klarna will verify the card and add it to your payment app. Once the card is added to your payment app, you can now use your phone to make a contactless payment at the terminal in this store. Congratulations, you have now learned how to use Klarna for both online and in-store shopping. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in understanding the ins and outs of this versatile payment platform. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comments and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more informative contents, and until next time, take care and thanks for watching.